nagpaplano ko mag-VA sa panahon ngayon, pag-isipan mo maigi, baka masayang lang oras mo. By the way, my name is JZ and good morning. Papaaraw muna tayo at napakaganda ng araw ngayon. Di kasi maulan eh. So medyo feel muna natin kasi baka biglang bumagyo anytime. So I'm automation specialist and executive assistant. So recently we are doing some AI automations na papalitan ng mga bookkeeper, customer service, data entry, scheduler. So yung mga ganong klaseng VA, wala na silbi yun sa panahon ngayon. So kung gusto mo mag-try ng o gusto mong pasukin ng virtual assistant journey, kalimutan mo yung mga basic roles na yun and you have to start learning AI. Kasi kung hindi, masasayang ang panahon mo. And I would say starting 2026, most of the businesses are now using AI, purchasing AI systems, which is a one-time payment lang. Kaya nang palitan yung mga ganong trabaho. Hindi sila magre-risk magbayad ng $2 or $3 to $5 per hour sa agent na gagawa ng basic task, which is something na kayang gawin ng AI for just one-time payment. So yun lang. So if you wanna start your VA journey, just let me know and I'll give you some guide, or maybe sabihin mo sa akin kung ano bang gusto mong pasukin na niche, then I'll tell you if there's an AI exists dun sa niche na yon. Especially even ang customer service BPO, papalitan na yan. I'm telling you, unless you are from sales or tier 2 tech, mga tier 1 tech ka, papalitan na ng AI yan. Actually, we have created some AI systems na kayang sumagot na parang tao and even knowledgeable more than a human. Believe me or not. So, be careful. Pag-isip mo may papasukin mo, ha? Baka masayang panahon mo kasi kakaaral.